Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce the Henoyso 100 packs cardboard tubes for craft, perfect for all your holiday DIY needs. These tubes come in a rich amount of 100 pieces, providing ample quantity for all your crafting projects. Measuring about 1.57 by 3.74 inches, they're the ideal size for easy handling, storage, and transportation. Crafted from high-quality cardboard and paper, these tubes are durable, easy to cut, color, and customize, ensuring a long-lasting crafting experience. Whether you're drawing, coloring, cutting, or gluing sequins, these tubes offer endless possibilities to inspire your imagination and creativity. Perfect for kids, students, and crafters of all ages, these cardboard rolls are ideal for handmade projects, party games, and classroom activities, making them a must-have for Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. So, unleash your creativity and transform these simple tubes into extraordinary art projects that everyone will admire. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.